Hello everyone. Today we are making restaurant style chicken palmy at home, served with crispy potato chips but with a healthier twist. I will show you how to make golden crisp chips in the air fryer and a big juicy chicken palmy that full of flavor. The best part, this whole family meal comes together for under $30. Easy, affordable, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Today I am using whole chicken breast. One important tip, when you buy chicken, try to get full undamaged piece. As you can see, mine is slightly damaged because it was frozen. So, if possible, ask your butcher for a whole breast that hasn't been cut or broken. Now, I am slicing the chicken horizontally from the thick side to the other side, almost like opening it up into a heart shape. Even though one is a bit damaged, we can fix it using a meat mallet. Place the chicken between baking paper and gently flatten it. You don't need a special tool. You can use a rolling pin, bottle, or even your hand. The goal is to make the chicken thin and even so it cooks perfectly. And that's one done. Now on to the second piece. I have placed the chicken on a separate plate and lightly season it with a little salt. Let it rest for few minutes. This helps draw out excess moisture so we can season it better later. While the chicken is resting, let's set up our crumbing station. Here I have panko breadcrumbs in one plate, 3 beaten eggs another, and plain flour in third plate. To extra flavor, I am mixing Parmesan cheese into the breadcrumbs. You can also add a little into the flour and egg if you like. Just remember, we are using cheese, so go easy on the salt. Now I'm adding garlic powder into the breadcrumbs and to the plain flour. It makes better taste. And I'm adding black pepper powder onto the crumbs and plain flour. Mix everything nicely with your finger. Add little bit of salt. Now you can see chicken has started to sweat. That moisture needs to go. Use a paper towel and gently pat it dry. This step is important if you want crispy chicken and not soggy. Now carefully take the chicken and coat it in the flour first. Since it's large, restaurant style piece, I am sprinkle over flour over the top, cover it evenly. If you prefer smaller portion, you can always use smaller chicken breast. This just what I had in my freezer. Now dip the chicken into the egg, making sure both sides are fully coated. Lift it up and let the excess egg dip off. Then transfer it straight onto the breadcrumbs. Give your hand a quick wipe. Coat it really well and gently press the crumbs onto the chicken so they stick properly. This step is keep it getting that crispy golden crust, just like restaurant style palmy. Now repeat the same steps for the remaining chicken breast. Coat them in flour, dip in the egg, and finish with the breadcrumbs, pressing well to get that perfect even coating on each piece. Take a look at the oil. We are not deep frying here, just a shallow layer in the pan. Carefully place the prepared chicken into the hot oil. Cook it on medium heat, flipping from side to side until both sides turn it beautiful golden brown. Make sure the chicken is cooked all the way through. Cook on medium heat helps the inside cook properly while keeping the outside crispy. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the chips. Add about a teaspoon of oil and toss the potatoes well so they will lightly coated. Then cook them in the air fryer at 180 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. Cook all three chicken pieces the same way, turning them gently until each one is golden, crispy, and cooked right through. Chicken palmy, also known as chicken parmesan, actually has its roots in Italian cuisine, in, inspired by a traditional dish called Parmigiana. But the version we know today become popular in places like Australia and United States where it's classic pub and comfort meal. In Australia, it is famously called a palmy or parma, and it's usually served with crispy chips and fresh salad, a favorite in pubs all over the country. It's loved for perfect combination of crispy chicken, rich tomato sauce and melted cheese on top. And the best part is you can easily create this restaurant style dish right at home now. Now arrange all the fried chicken pieces onto a baking tray. They are ready to go to oven. Spread your favorite pasta sauce or marinara sauce over the chicken. You can also use tomato sauce if you prefer. I am using a good quality pasta sauce. Make sure it's nice and thick for the best results. Spread the sauce evenly over the pieces. Next, add cheese. I am using mozzarella today, but you can use any cheese you like. Add a generous amount and cover. This just come out of the oven, 180 Celsius degrees for 20 minutes. Look at that. Cheese beautifully melted. Now let's plate it up. Serve it with crispy potato chips on the side and ready to enjoy. And here it is, a full plate of crispy chicken palmy with golden chips all made at home. These potato chips are made with less oil. Keep it healthier option without losing that crunch. And the best part, the whole meal cost under $30 and is enough to feed four people. At a restaurant, just one meal can cost over $30. So you are saving money and eating better at home. Add your favorite salad on the side, and you have got a complete balanced meal. This is true family favorite, simple, delicious, and something the kids will absolutely love and enjoy. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious homemade meals. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.